My name is Nuhana and I will first introduce our video title, which is the application and uses of geotechnical testing in dam construction. Now let me introduce my group members. First Tingijing, second me Nurhana, third Nur Aisha, fourth Amal Konsin, and fifth Nichaini. Now let's take a look at the introduction. First, what is geotechnical testing? Geotechnical testing are performed by geotechnical engineers or engineering geologists to obtain information on the physical properties of soil, earthworks, and foundation for proposed structures, such as for dam construction. This type of investigation is called a site investigation too. Second, geotechnical testing is done to investigate subsurface conditions and materials to determine the physical and chemical properties of the earth materials, to evaluate slopes and soil deposit stability, to assess the risks posed by site condition, design condition, and monitor site condition and foundation construction. Third, the geotechnical testing involves sample collection, in situ test, and laboratory analysis to investigate and collect the parameters such as algebraic limits, soil classification, moisture density relationship, stability analysis, drainage, bearing capacity, consolidation, settlement, permeability, and groundwater level. That's all from me, and I will pass the other members.
For the application and uses of geotechnical testing in dam construction, first is to ensure that the material and activity adhere to the works design and planning. Second, structure that across the dam should be built with extreme caution. Third, to determine the value of numerous earth dam. Fourth, to control the grain size distribution, specification of the filter and drainage areas, especially when they are placed on site. And the last one is to reduce the speed of construction and build berms on the slope to reduce the stresses acting at the bottom of them. That's all from me. Now I would like to pass to my group member.
Hello, my name is Ling Chaining. Now I will explain about the evidence of use of geotechnical testing for dam construction. To check whether the dam foundation has sufficient strength and durability to support the type of the dam proposed, whether the foundation is watertight, especially when the califies rock also in the side and in a deeper region below the foundation. Second, to estimate the geology of the area to occupy by the reservoir once the dam is complete, because the store area is watertight or are the area of a cavernous limestone which might lead to the dam not retaining water. To inspect the stability of the stroke in the dam site and the reservoir area, whether the dam site into the reservoir are possible may cause a wave of water to be put over the top of the dam. 4. To find the source of the construction material, we need to build the dam in the nearby area of the dam site. The material required may lie the aggregate of different sizes, filling material in the crop and the bore surface if the dam is earth-filled type.
Next, I will explain about the drawback of geotechnical testing. There are several drawbacks of geotechnical testing in dam construction, such as the purpose of geotechnical testing is just to get sample. Thus, all of the investment in equipment, labor, and time is worthless unless it provides a sample for testing. Second, the soil sample must be tested only using lab equipment. That means remove a large number of samples from the site, deliver them to lab facility, and then need to wait for the lab result. Third, by extract the sample, the physical characteristic of the sample can be significantly changed. The sample has been loose, and soil solid can appear to be less dense or cohesive than it is. Also, the act of testing has the potential to change the grain size of the sample that is being extracted.
Salam sejahtera to our respected lecturer. We are from Group 2, Section 6, BFC 31901 Geotechnic and Structure Laboratory. Today, we would like to present to you the application and uses of geotechnical testing in dams construction. Let me introduce you to our group member. We have Lee Chailin, Ting Ijing, Norhana binti Muhammad Hanafia, Nor Aisha binti Muhammad Samuri, and lastly myself, Emma Konsim. As a conclusion, dams are engineering structure constructed for different purposes. They are of different sizes, shapes, and types. In all cases, many essential studies should be carried out before deciding the location, type, and size of the dam. Among those studies is the geological investigation, which should be carried out to deduce the geological condition in the most relevant site, depth of the foundation and their types, cut-off depth, type of the available construction materials, and type of the expected geological hazards. Without proper geological investigation, the construction of a dam will cause serious hazards during the construction and during commissioning of the dam. That's all from us. Thank you.